What up, y'all? Today I'm about to test out this blow dryer brush. It is Frisky Gypsy Boutique. It's where it's from. And this is like the voltage and stuff. And it's so cute. It's purple. And yeah, I just want to try this out. I don't really straighten my hair, but I've been wanting to do like blowouts lately, so we're gonna try it and see how it works. I just washed my hair. I'm gonna use this for heat protectant. And yeah, let's get it started. Oh, this is what it look like on the inside. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute.
Still here.
Yeah, it look crazy.
Yeah.
See if this can be my. Oh God, my hair look crazy. Let me hurry up and get this done, cause I was doing this yesterday, but I was so tired from work. I was like, no. Ooh, yeah, I'm not gonna use no comb.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna detangle it first before I get to like using the brush, cause I don't want to get a lot of hair in the brush. I need to get some more clips, cause for some reason this little boy, I think, is the culprit of taking my clips. Thinking it's a freaking game. It's not. I need my clips. And yeah, I'm gonna brush it out first. So I'll be back after I detangle, because I don't want y'all to see this naps.
You look like a mom. You look like a mom. And you don't like that. I like your eyebrows.
Thank you.
I like different ones.
Yeah, because they was looking like crazy before I put this
Mommy,
makeup on. I had to do my eyebrows looking crazy.
When being a dad, my hair got really crazy.
Yeah.
Really crazy. You know, so
Oh my God. I had to twist out
I
before I wash my hair. That's why it's so freaking nappy. After I take my twist outs out, it be looking crazy.
Mommy,
If I keep it more than a day.
Mommy, I just be a mom. Yeah, I did. I did, Mom. Then I used this vinegar to make a video. Because I go to it down.
When you thought you finished, you're not done yet.
Mommy, I took it down in the tub and let it dry a little bit. Then I scrub it with vinegar. Then I use some water for it. Then I use a cleaning brush.
I usually don't even. I'm not going to use my flat iron after this because I just don't want to. I usually don't straighten my hair till like every 6 months, but I think I'm going to change it to every 3 months just because I think I noticed a difference. I'm about to read the directions. We don't need to read the directions. This thing is huge, y'all.
Dude, that thing's very big.
It's got the little elastic. I like. And it's so soft. There's the little dial to it. I wonder if it's got a cold setting. Let's see. Okay. Let me add this. I'm gonna section each section at 2, just cause I don't want a lot going on with. I want to see how straight I can actually get it. And this is about how much I'm gonna use. If you can see that. Each section. I used to use it. What the heck? I used to use this like back when I was like straightening my hair all the time. But it was 2 different ones. It was this one, and then it was like the one with the purple top. It was a clear bottle with a purple top. And I forgot which one I like the most. So I'm gonna just, you know, try it out and see which one I actually like. Again, because I don't remember. And look at this nose ring. I got a freaking hoop nose ring on. And I promise you, I'm not feeling it. I thought I was like, oh, it's gonna be so cute. Let me try something different. No, I'm gonna give it like 2 more days, a day. Because I just put it in yesterday. And I am not feeling it. Like, but we're gonna try something. We're gonna try it. Because I know y'all don't want to hear this loud blow drying. Actually, let's see how loud it is. Actually, not that loud. Okay, so I just did that one section. And my hair, mind you, a boy, excuse me. Can you pick that up, please? Thank you. Yeah, so basically my hair is like 80% dry already. Cause I left it in a t-shirt or whatever and I was doing other stuff. So I had it on, I think it was high. It's got high, middle, low. What happened to medium? Okay. Anyway.
What?
Actually got my hair really straight for the most part. That's like surprising. Alright, well I'm gonna keep going. Feeling this, like, oh, my hair feels so soft. Of course, it'd be different if your hair was more trained to be straight, because like I said, I don't straighten my hair that much nor blow dry it at all. So of course your hair could be straighter than what mine is. I'm trying to get that like little curled effect, but of course I'm not sure how I'm gonna get that with this. Being as, oh, I gotta butter this a little bit more. But yeah, I really like this. I really like this. And it's getting my roots really good. I'm kind of surprised, but it is.
Hey, hey, Mom.
Alright, I'll be back after I do majority of this. I'll wait till I get to the front or whatever to show y'all more. So, yeah. So I did get a little curl, okay? But I don't know, my hair. So overall, I love this. I love this. So
Stop playing the do not play.
I got a little bump with the curl, but not much, you know. Of course, it'd probably be more if I use the flat iron on it or something. But I don't want to do that right now. I don't want to like that. I'm probably just gonna put this up in the bun. Not gonna lie. But I had this like snag my hair. Even though I did tangle before I did this, I still had a little snag. Even though I was doing like, you know, curling it like this the whole time, I still had a little bit of snag. But barely any, like, you know, it wasn't that serious. And this feels so smooth going through your hair. And it gets hot, yo. Like, this don't get hot. It don't have no temperatures, but it just has the high, middle, and low settings. I used high the whole time, but I love this. Like, I'm really shocked at how good this is. So I'm gonna probably do another video where I use this and my flat irons. Just because I think this probably will be a better pair, but I like this blowout. Like, my roots feel really nice and straight. I'm just like really surprised. I'm really surprised. Because the blow dryer won't get, like, it probably could, but I don't think it would get this straight. Unless I had a comb on it, maybe that'd be a difference. But not for real. Oof. I need to cut my ends too. That's another reason why I did this. I'm probably about to cut my ends. Do a little trimming. I need a... But, yeah, overall, I would get one of these. It don't have to be this brand. I'm not sponsored or whatever. But I would definitely get this brand, type of blow dryer. I don't know what I'm doing, but it look crazy. I don't care. I would definitely try it though. Like, get one. I know, like, I think it's Revlon with the pink one. Their brand's been really popping with theirs. I think they made a new one, but I would try it. I would try it. I would definitely try it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch me for the next video.